Chico Bonbon.
Chico Bonbon, Chico Chico Bonbon.
Chico Bonbon.
Chico Bonbon, Chico Bonbon.
Monkey, a monkey with the tool belt. Monkey, a monkey with the tool belt. Monkey with the tool belt.
I saw a monkey.
Chico Bonbon.
Chico Bonbon, Chico Bonbon.
Chico Bonbon. Chico Bonbon.
Monkey with a tool belt.
Chico Bonbon and the Danger Gnomes.
There, all finished.
Is it waffle time yet?
Almost. This new turbo toaster will toast them up in a flash. Waffle it up, buddy.
Oh, but Chico, the toaster's not plugged in. Wait a minute. It doesn't even have a plug.
It doesn't need a plug, Clark. The turbo toaster is powered by sunlight.
It's solar powered. Those solar panels turn light into electricity that will power the toaster, which will make our waffles toasty.
We just leave the toaster in the light and it'll power up. Any light has energy, but sunlight works best. See? It's working!
Yay! Solar power! Yay! Turbo toaster! Yay! Waffles! Hey, what's going on? The toaster's not powering up anymore.
Huh. Something's blocking our sunlight.
Captain Squirrelbeard!
Ahoy, mateys!
Ahoy there, Captain! We're trying to toast some waffles here. Do you mind moving your ship?
Yar! Aye, Mr. Bonbon, sir! Happy toasting, mateys!
Finally! It's waffle time!
The banana phone! Chico Bonbon, you got a problem? We can solve them.
Chico!
Mayor Murphy? Is that you?
Chico, there's a big problem at the park. I need the Fix-It Force to come right away.
Don't worry, Mayor. We'll be there in a jiffy jaff. Fix-It Force, it's time to bring the awesome.
Chico Bonbon! Rainbow Thunder! Clark! Tiny! Force 1 activated.
Fix-It Force reporting for duty.
Oh, Chico, thank goodness you're here.
What's the problem, Mayor?
Nobody wants to spend any time in Blunderbug Park, and I can't figure out why.
No wonder no one wants to be here. It's full of icky black smoke.
What's going on?
I'm not sure. I was hoping everyone in town would be here checking out our new gardening gnomes. They are simply adorable.
Aww.
And look, they actually garden.
Wow! How do they do that?
Easy. You just pop a tiny lump of coal into their bags, and a device inside burns the coal to make electricity. This makes them move around and do their jobs.
I think I see the problem, Mayor Murphy. All that burning coal you're using to power the gnomes is creating this icky black smoke. Ugh.
So what do we do?
We improve them. Quick, team, turn the gnomes off. Instead of using coal to power these gnomes, we need a clean energy source. Some solar panels will power the gnomes and won't make yucky smoke.
Just like our toaster!
Ooh, I like the sound of that.
Okay, little gnome. Time to go solar. Meet your solar-powered gardening gnomes. This one was a little boring, so I souped him up a bit. The only fuel they need is light, which means no more black smoke.
Oh, marvelous! No more smoke! Thank goodness! The town is going to really love these now! Come in, everyone! Come in! Lovely to see you! Yes, just there! Thank you!
I'm Neil Ostrich, your beak on the street, coming to you live from Blunderberg Park. Thanks to the Fix-It Force's solar-powered solutions, the new gardening gnomes are now 100% smoke-free. Folks are enjoying the park now more than ever, so stop on down and check them out. They're adorable.
Nice work on those gnomes, team. Now who's ready for some waffles in the park?
Oh, me! I am! I waffle! What is happening?
The garden gnomes are going nuts!
I think they're getting too much power from the sunlight. All that extra energy is making them go wackadoodle.
They're not garden gnomes! They're danger gnomes!
We've got to find a way to catch those gnomes and turn them off. Whip out your umbrellas. It's time for a brainstorm. Okay, what do we got, people?
I could hop on my glitter cycle and scoop them all up!
Ow, didn't you see the sign? No glitter cycles on the grass.
What if we challenge them all to a dance-off?
There's no way we can win. I think we may just have to do this the old-fashioned way.
You mean chase after them and try to catch them in big oversized nets?
Bingo! Got one! Whoops! Sorry, Tiny.
They're too fast! Ah!
How is this even possible? Oh, look out! They're running with scissors!
This just isn't working!
Chico, what do we do?
If we don't catch them soon, they'll destroy the whole park!
Well, maybe we could, if we just... It is so hot. I need some shade to think.
What you really need, Chico, is a banana break.
Okay, so we've got to stop these gnomes. Well, we couldn't catch them with nets. They just have so much energy. As long as the sun shines on their solar panels, they'll just keep chugging along. Like my solar-powered turbo toaster. That didn't power down until Captain Squirrelbeard's ship blocked the sun. Blocked the sun? Blazing bananas, that's it! We need something big to block the sun. And since Captain Squirrelbeard isn't around, we'll have to build something. Like this umbrella, but way bigger.
Yeah! If no sunlight hits the solar panels on the gnomes, then they'll stop generating energy and slow down until they stop.
Time to bring the shade. Super shady umbrella, ready to go.
Wow!
Begin countdown. 5,
4!
3, 2, 1, lift up! It's working! Without sunlight, the gnomes are running out of power!
They've all stopped! Hooray! Oh, Chico, your giant umbrella plan worked! The gnomes have all powered down! It's just too bad the solar panels didn't work.
Oh, but they did work! They just worked a little too well. The gnomes were using too much power.
Yeah, if we make their solar panels smaller, the gnomes can only get just the right amount of power, and they won't be able to go crazy again.
Fix-It Force, you know what to do! Great job, everybody! The gnomes' energy levels are back to normal. See, Mayor Murphy? The smaller solar panels are working perfectly. The gnomes are better than ever.
Oh, thank you, Fix-It Force. Once again, you've saved the day.
And you know what that means. It's waffle time! Yay, waffles! And yay, dancing!
Bye.